Hey people, what's up? I hope you guys are doing awesome. I'm David and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to learn how to link our YouTube channel to our Google Ads account. But before we dive into that, for those who are interested in learning digital advertising platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads and a lot more, I urge you guys to go ahead and smash that subscribe button because I have a lot more content planned for you guys. So there are two ways in which you can link your YouTube channel to your Google Ads account. The first is through your YouTube channel itself and the second is through your Google Ads account. So let's go ahead and look at both these methods in complete detail. In this first method, we're going to learn how to link our YouTube channel to our Google Ads account using the YouTube interface itself. For that, I recommend having your Google Ads opened in one tab and your YouTube channel open in a second. So let's go ahead. We first move into our YouTube studio. Once you are in the YouTube studio, head over to settings. Once you're in settings, you head over to channel, advanced settings, and there you see it. There's an option to link your Google Ads account here. So just click on link account and you can see that it's asking for your Google Ads customer ID. So let's head over to Google Ads and in the right hand corner, here we go ahead and find our customer ID and just paste it in here. And see, it says it's accepted. Just give it a name. In this case, I'm just going to give it the name of my channel. And you can choose which features you want YouTube to enable Google Ads to be able to have. View count, remarketing, and engagement. We'll get into them in a little detail after this. Just click on done and save. So once you're done with the linking out here, it will send a request to your Google Ads account. So you head over to the Google Ads tab and over to tools and settings, and under tools and settings you move to linked accounts. So once you are in linked accounts, you see that YouTube, there is a request that has been received. We just click on manage and linked and it shows you the permissions that you are getting enabled for your Google Ads account, and you click on view request and approve. And that's it. Your Google Ads is now linked to your YouTube channel using YouTube itself. This was the first method of linking your YouTube channel to your Google Ads account. Now let's look at some of the benefits that we get from linking our YouTube channel to our Google Ads account. So now let's look at the permissions that we have enabled for our Google Ads account by linking our YouTube channel to Google Ads. And you can just hover over the question mark and it'll give you a little more information about each of the permissions that have been given. So let's start with view counts. It says your video ads organic view metrics will be shared with the linked Google Ads account. So basically your ads, you will be able to see how many people have viewed 25% of your ad, 50% of your ad, 75% of your ad, and the complete 100% of your ad using these metrics. The second is remarketing, also known as your data segments in audiences. So basically you'll be able to create audiences based on people's past interactions with your YouTube channel. So basically, let's say if I want to target somebody that is subscribed to my channel or somebody that has watched a particular video, I will be able to do that using this particular feature that has been made accessible to us. And last and one of the most important is engagement. It gives you access to earned actions. So what does earned actions mean? It basically means what type of actions are people taking after viewing your ad, whether they're subscribing to your channel, whether they are viewing a particular video. It gives you access to such information. Now that we know the benefits of linking our YouTube channel to our Google Ads account, let's move on and check out the second method with which we can link our Google Ads to our YouTube channel. Now let's go ahead and learn how to link our YouTube channel to our Google Ads account using the Google Ads interface. I recommend once again having two tabs open. One is your Google Ads account and the other is your YouTube channel. So you head over to tools and settings to linked accounts, and under YouTube you can just click on details and add channel. So it asks you for your YouTube channel name or your URL. I prefer to use the URL, so I'm going to just go ahead and copy it from here. And it gives you two options. It gives you an option to choose whether you own this channel or whether you're going to go ahead and add somebody else's channel if you're running ads for someone else. So I'm going to click on I own this channel because it's my personal channel, and I'm going to go ahead and click on go to YouTube. It'll give you an option to switch channels. So I'm going to click on switch channels. And there you go. Once you click on the switch channels, it opens your Google Ads account linking. Just go ahead and type in a name. In this case, I'm going to once again type in David Matthews Official. And you can choose which features you want and click on link. And that's it. The account has been linked. And this is how you can link your Google Ads account to your YouTube channel using your Google Ads interface. So guys, these are the two ways of linking your YouTube channel to your Google Ads account. And if you have any questions about this topic, please let me know in the comments and I will definitely respond to you guys. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I also request you guys to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. This is it for today. Goodbye. Until next time.